Why don't you energise your next project? Today we introduce you to the revolutionary AMPShare battery platform and the brand new machines from ROTHENBERGER. Hi, my name is Anthony Haynes. I'm the Product and Training Manager of ROTHENBERGER in the UK, and today I'll show you everything about AMPShare. Today it's all about a groundbreaking innovation in battery technology, AMPShare. A strong trio of Bosch, Fine and ourselves, ROTHENBERGER, launched the platform in September of 2022, setting new standards in the tool industry. Our partnership aims to provide you with greater flexibility in battery choice and efficiency across brand boundaries. The heart of AMPShare, the battery, is based on the proven Bosch Professional 18-volt battery system. These batteries are known for their robustness, durability and power, making them the ideal choice for professional applications. When choosing AMPShare, you can enjoy many benefits. First, universal compatibility with a wide range of tools. Of course, the most popular machines and tools from ROTHENBERGER, as you can see here. But Bosch and Fine are included, but also many other brands, and the brand portfolio is growing steadily. Secondly, the batteries are extremely durable and powerful, ideal for long working days. And thirdly, AMPShare also scores with the ecological aspects by using fewer resources and energy. You only need one battery for all your favourite tools and only one charger. This saves you a collection of different batteries and chargers and saves space, importantly, in your car. The AMPShare battery comes in many different sizes and many power configurations. Let's have a look. We have a 2 amp battery in AMPShare, a 4 amp battery in AMPShare. We also have an 8 amp in the Pro Core variant, which is here. These offer even more power. Now let's take a look at the products in detail. Here we have the very robust Romax 4000. Used a lot in commercial applications, this is capable of up to 54 millimeters in metal fittings and up to 40 millimeters in multi-layer pipe. The head swivels all the way around so you can get into those nasty corners where you wouldn't usually be able to. His younger brother is the Romax Compact 3. The Romax Compact 3 is an evolution of our Romax Compact TT, but this also has Bluetooth technology. Now, the Bluetooth technology enables you to do documentation to look that little bit more professional on the job. Next, my favourite tool in the range is the Robend 4000E. This is a pipe bending machine, cordless with a 4 amp battery. This is capable of bending copper pipes up to 35mm and then stainless steel up to 28. It gives you the perfect bend every time because you can preset the bend angle. So every single bend will be identical. A really, really good product. The next tool we have is the ROTHENBERGER Supertronic 2000E pipe threader. This is capable of threading steel pipes up to 2 inches on a battery. A real handy piece of kit when you need to transport it and use it in situ. It uses the same brushless motor as the Robend 4000. The next tool we have here is the ROCAM Mini HD. This gives you, on this reel, 22 meters worth of scope down pipe work, and then using this head here, a 25mm camera, where you can inspect pipe work and find any issues before cleaning the pipes. And last but not least, we have our basic drill driver. This comes with a 2 amp 18-volt AMPShare battery, a nice compact driver. This was our brief insight into the world of the AMPShare battery platform and our new ROTHENBERGER products. A real innovation that will take your projects to the next level. If you have any questions about AMPShare, please leave us a comment, or if you like our videos, consider subscribing and give us a thumbs up. Until next time, ciao.